Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to create this realistic cut. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you're a new subscriber here, welcome. On this channel we teach SFX makeup, and that's special effects makeup. We teach you how to create realistic wounds, realistic scars, anything SFX. We have all tutorials, and if you want any particular tutorial, please leave it in the comment section. So now, right into the tutorial. First off, you need to apply your spirit gum on the area where you want to create your scar. So right here, I'm checking to see how tacky it is. So when it's tacky, that's the best time to apply your scar wax. So you go on first by applying your baby oil on the tip of your fingers, just so the scar wax doesn't stick directly on your fingers while trying to mold it. Then you apply your scar wax on the area where you applied this spirit gum, and you smoothen it out with a spatula. To aid this and to have a very much clean edge and smooth finish, you need to go on with your baby oil on the scar wax just to make it smooth and even. The baby oil is highly very essential in this process. The next thing you want to do is to go in with your spatula and create the cut, your desired cut, and do it gently just so you don't make mistakes. And you go with your spatula to remove the excess scar wax at the edges, and then your baby oil to smoothen out that edge. You don't want to have crusty edges while creating special effects makeup, and that is exactly what we teach on our channel. We teach you how to apply prosthetics like a professional. So you go over your wound with your Skin Illustrator palette. All of these materials are available at SFX Mart on Instagram. So this is an alcohol activated palette. It is highly recommended because this doesn't smudge, it doesn't go off, it doesn't clean off easily. So going with the deep red and then going with the black, and the black is there just to create depth. Once you're done with that, you go over your application with a powder, preferably a powder the same shade with the where your prosthetic is to match your skin tone. Then you go in with a lip gloss. To seal up your prosthetics, you go in with your liquid latex to seal it up, and this is done so that the prosthetics can last long in the skin without ripping off. You apply this and you leave it to dry for some minutes. Once it's dry, you go over it with a powder. And now we use a powder Dakar just to create a wound effect and make the wound look more realistic. And voila, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned one or two things. More tutorials will be coming up on our channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video.